Hey everybody, we are continuing our tour of Worcester's neighborhoods, and we are now at the corner of Coolidge and Longfellow. We're heading up Longfellow, and there's a hole in the road. So they're starting at 131. Here's 127. Don't know, can't see that number. Now we're coming up to the corner of Commodore in Longfellow. Don't worry if you didn't see this, we'll be coming through here again. There's an old house with a new heat pump. There's a tree. That's got to be a new paint color. 109 with the American flag. And there's somebody who's probably done a lot of renovation. Turned it into a multi-family. The bumps in the road are not our driving. The bumps in the road are the bumps in the road. Wow, there's a big house. 83 and 85. 79 and 81. Oh, we got some single families here. Number 75. Let's make sure nobody's behind you. 73. 71. 61. 59. As my wife, who grew up in this neighborhood, said, the houses look exactly the same. Obviously, there's totally new families that are in them now. What do these streets back up? What do these houses back up to? I don't know. Is it the woods? Is it Chandler Street?
I think it's Chandler.
Chandler Street. And here's number 17. Well, look how close those are. And those little driveways. How did you ever get cars back down? Look, here's another one. How did you get cars down that driveway into a two-car garage? Same thing there. And if you have a snowblower, you'd be putting it in the neighbor's yard. What, the white one?
David Harrity.
David Harrity? In that white house with the brick? Right? White house with the brick, David Harrity. Okay, what are we doing here? So we're turning around. This is Coolidge Road. I guess that's the Harrity house. You're going to have to back up and hope nobody's behind you. If you hear a big crash, okay, here we go. Other side of what street? What street is this?
Longfellow.
Longfellow, okay. Number 4, oh, vinyl siding. Guy walking his dog. Here's one hiding behind the trees. Oh, look at the nice garage in the back there. Ugh. Peace sign on that one. This looks like the hippie side of the street. 22, you're going too fast. 26. There's those garages in the back. So evidently the lots were very narrow, but they were deep, and they all had those garages in the back. And there they are, garage in the back. Vinyl siding, number 44, number 52, 54, boy, that's a big one. Look at that one. Woo. Copley Road. We'll probably go up there at another time. Copley Road. Look at the old stone foundation on that one, number 58. Oh, these are all the old stone. See those old stone foundations? You don't see those much anymore. Oh, and they threw a modern one in here. They must have threw this in an empty lot. One family, yeah. Oh, new stones there. Vinyl siding. Vinyl siding. Stone front. And we're at the turn here. Number 88. This guy's got to have a garage in the back. It's got to have a garage. Oh, look at that. One driveway, two garages. Number 108. Kiss 108. And this must be on the other street. Commodore. And we're going to go, once we go down the end of Longfellow.
No, it's just one house.
Oh, it's just one house.
So we're going on to Commodore.
Okay, we're on Commodore now. We're probably missing some Commodore. Lionel Richie used to live on Commodore Street when he was with the Commodores. So there's number 87, Commodore. 85. You notice all these have a little bit different architecture. That's barn architecture. I don't know what the heck this is. If it's your old house or current house, I apologize. Well, I really don't. Oh, Biden-Harris. And there's a house behind the trees, number 69. And there's some flags. I don't know what those flags mean. 61 Commodore. Looks like it was stucco. And this was stuck with yellow. And a car, an unregistered car in the yard. And what street? Oh, we're back on Copley here. Okay. Rolling stop through the stop sign. And Palm Mulaney, the judge. Big house, 41.
10 kids.
10 kids, my own, 10 kids. No wonder they had a big house. We think. 37. Stucco. More stucco here. Yucco to the stucco and vinyl. What's this called? What's this stuff called? Tudor. Two-door, three-door, whatever it is. There's a house that is number 15. Oop, and there we go. And there's a house with packages. Oh, if you need it, if you want to do shopping, go shop on this street. And there, look it, folks, there is the field. What's that field called? Foley Stadium. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Turning back around, going the other side of the street.
Okay, so now we're going to reverse direction and go back up the street. Beep, 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 beep. Go ahead, there's plenty of room. So now we're going back up the street. Oh, there's somebody with a motorhome over there. Smart people, motorhome. Number 2, look at this little brick schoolhouse, it looks like. A little brick schoolhouse. With their outdoor deck. And their outdoor furniture, still outdoors. Trampoline in the back. This must be the summer side of the street. And there's a ranch house that they somehow fit in there a little bit later. Boat in the backyard of this. Stucco. Boy, no more than 10 feet between these yards. Well, let's see if the garage is... Oh, there's the garage in back. That seems to be the constant of this neighborhood. Garage in back, down the end of the driveway. There's a big house there, number 36. Well kept. As the whole neighborhood is well kept. And more of a brick house. She's the brick house. The brick house. What street? Copley. Okay, we'll come back to this at another time, as we're coming up on our 10-minute limit here. And there's a big dog. See? Anybody know whose dog that is? He's wrapped around a tree about 20 times. And 58. 62. Garages in the back, which you can't get to. And number 70. So folks, let us know here. Make your comments. Anybody's, was this your house? Was this your neighborhood? There's an interesting house. There's an interesting house. Wow, big addition in back of that one. Wow. Stucco. Old shingle type house. And we're going to come right out to what, June Street?
You've done 10 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead. We're done 10:40.
Okay.
Okay, go right up to the end of the street. We'll go up to June Street, and then we'll end it at Newton Square. We'll end this one at Newton Square today.
Over there instead.
No, we'll do it another time.
Not gonna do ours.
Not right now. Do them at another time. Okay, so that's the scoop. We're going down. Going down to Newton Square. So we'll see some of these houses here as the mailman is delivering. There's a modernized front end. And which one?
The second one.
Okay, I think Sweeten lived down here somewhere. Anne-Marie something or other. Delage. Right there. There you are, Anne-Marie. There's the house. You were smart enough to move to Myrtle Beach. And God only knows what this is now. It's got a fortress around it. And we'll end right over there. Oh, there, look at Newton Square. It's all beat up from cars running into it. And there's a monument. And that's it for this